Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about changing size in Temu after ordering. So let's dive in. First off, let me show you where to choose size when you're ordering. So go ahead and choose the item you want to purchase. And then from here, it'll show you all the size available. All the sizes available for this product. So this is where you can choose or select the size of an item. Now, heads up, you can't actually directly change the size of an item in your Temu order after it's placed. Your best bet here is to simply just cancel the order immediately if still processing. Or you can also initiate a return and or reorder with the correct size if it's already packed or shipped, as Temu doesn't offer direct exchanges. Another method you can try is by clicking support right over here and chat with their support team to help you process the changes. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to process and change size and time after ordering in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.